Hello guys, how are you? Today we will discuss about how to make money on Twitter Beginners Guideline 2020-22. Have you ever wondered how to make money on Twitter? Believe it or not, you can make some serious money from social media platforms like Twitter. In fact, Twitter receives more than 2 billion search queries per day. So if you are not using Twitter as part of your money make strategy, it might be time to consider doing now. So could ultimately use Twitter as side hustle income, or if you create a well-known and established Twitter brand, you could make it your full-time career like Chris Skins did at 25. He earned $500,000 per year from his Twitter account pictured below. I'm not saying that you will be making money $500,000 from your Twitter account by the time you finish this guide, but I can help you of your money making journey with his basic beginners guideline. 4 steps to take before monetizing your account. Before you even think about making money from your Twitter account, first you have to take some steps to ensure your money making journey will be a success. From my time on Twitter, I have experienced that you can't expect to make money if you don't have an audience base, you are not trusted among your followers. First, I will show you how to make perfect Twitter profile. Then I will show you 5 different ways to make money on Twitter. First point, stand out from the crowd, design your Twitter profile. Before you even start building an audience base, you want to make sure you are presentable, just as if you are introducing yourself in the real world to real people. You want to make sure you appear buttoned up, professional and personable. That's where your profile comes into play. There are several things you want to pay close attention to as you craft your profile. Select a high quality profile picture. Include your website URL if you have one. Carefully word your bio, 160 character maximum. Develop an easy to remember Twitter handle and name. Design a clean and professional profile background picture. I'm not saying my Twitter profile is perfect, but it seems to do at least part of a trick since I have been getting some traction on Twitter. One thing I have noticed that the most aesthetically pleasing your profile, the more like you will have people reading about what is that you advertise. The next section is your Twitter handle using a mention and your Twitter name. If you want to make a sale on your profile, then you probably don't want to have Twitter name or handle like Qwerty123. Make your name appealing and add an emoji after your Twitter name if you want. Check out some thoughts behind my Twitter name and Twitter handle. My Twitter handle is short and to the point. My Twitter name is in line with my website. I am easily indefiniable. My stack of cash emoji helps people identify I have something to do with money. Next, carefully word your bio. Here are some tips I used. Be direct, be personable, be professional. Here's my bio. I write about financial strategy to help you achieve millionaire status like that. With my bio, you can tell the following: my name, what I do, my creativity, how you can benefit from my service. And the last part I want you to focus on is linking to your website, product, affiliate link, etc. Twitter has a spot of your location on your profile. Instead of sharing my location, Miami, USA, I decided to add something a little more creative as my location and connect it with my website like that. Once again, you immediately understand that my website will be a building wealth. How long it will take to design and just my finished Twitter profile. It probably took me 6 months to figure out what works and what the design works. The software I use to design my graphics is Canva Pro. Trust me, it is going to take some time to design me perfect Twitter profile, and chances are you will constantly be making edits and changes just like me. Creative, consistent content that adds value. The next step is probably the hardest: creating consistent content. The keyword is consistent. You can create amazing content, even have your tweet go viral, but if you are not consistently adding content, then you will probably lose traction on Twitter. Fact. Pro tip: if you want to be successful on Twitter, you will have to create content every day. I post between 1 to 3 tweets daily. As you can tell, Twitter can easily become a full time job if you are trying to build up your audience. Here is my rule: if you want to build an audience, you have to add value. To add value audience, you have to create content. How you can create consistent valuable content with my secret weapon: create 24 by 7. Below are the statistics of my monthly gained followers since I have took creative 24/7 courses. If you truly commit to the content building strategies within the courses, then you will notice your Twitter audience grow. Engage you with your audience. Now that you have established a killer Twitter profile, a solid plan to create consistent content, it's time to begin connecting and engaging with your Twitter audience. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.